The added bow ear doesn't increase draw length by much. Arrow accuracy is also yet to be determined. I'll have to test them one by one.
Oh, you have. Practically two birds with one arrow. Nearly struck us both on the head.
Two birds with one arrow. Oh, my apologies! I didn't hurt you, did I?
So, who are you then? What are you doing shooting birds in Xinghe?
The name's Fang Jisha, disciple of the Inkbound Order. And I'm here in Xinghe on official business. I merely wanted to try out my new bow, and I didn't expect...
The Inkbound Order. Wow! That's one of those big name sects, isn't it? Are you a legendary Xianghu hero? Hey, Mr. Hero! Lots of swordsmen have come to Xinghe lately. Are you all after some sort of treasure? Or some secret martial arts book?
Well, the Inkbound Order is indeed well known. But I am merely a humble disciple, far from worthy of being called a hero. Sorry to disappoint you, young lady.
So, you're not a big hero after all. Should've known. What kind of hero would be that bad with a bow and arrow?
It's fine, we weren't hurt. We should get going now. Just be more careful when taking test shots next time.
Wait! Master said the noble are never at fault, because they always make up for their mistakes. I have a manuscript on archery techniques, a secret tome of sorts. Please, accept it as my apology.
Archery tips?
Yes. A bit embarrassing to admit, but this book represents years of painstaking study. Especially Chapter 3, which explores how applied force influences shooting range when the second phalanx is used to draw. And here, look at this!
That completely lost me. Wait, did he just say... Is that a secret book? Oh wow, it is a secret book!
You spent years on this, and you're simply giving it to us? That's far too great an apology.
Disciples of the Inkbound Order are prohibited from attachment to material possessions. Go ahead and read it. If there's anything you don't understand, I'd be happy to explain. This technique is called Still Waters. Master it to achieve perfect stillness and expose your prey's weakness.
What amazing skill!
This is my first time passing on still waters. Shall we shoot at the birds by the cliff together, so I can observe its efficacy? Okay, fire away. Ready?
Okay,
Practice still
here
waters.
we go.
Timing
really
is
give
key.
it your best.
Track the bird's flight. Release at the right moment.
Really something. I knew you had potential. We really win?
If it wasn't for Heroine Ruby's help, we might have actually lost.
That's true. You agree, right, Big Funk?
Seeing the two of you working together, I have indeed learned quite a bit. After sparring with you, I've gained even more insights into archery research.
Thanks to your instruction.
Actually,
Oh, don't worry.
Killer Blade.
right now, all we can do is be on our guard.
Look, Beard Guang and the others. My storybook. I'm coming.
Hey, be careful.
I'm gonna be first in line to buy it.
If it wasn't for Heroine Ruby's help, we might have actually lost. Thank you for warning me about Killer Blade, Big Fung. Until next time. Things have definitely been odd in Chunha lately. Not Han keeps saying everything can wait until the first giant banquet.
Such a fine young one. The voice, the passion, reminds me of 16 years ago. I know you're gifted. I'll give you a chance. Take these fire arrows and retrieve the oddity from that tree.
He speaks madness, but something is odd over there.
Young one, let me hear that new oddity you found. What a blessing!
Oddity? What an odd name.
This object is of great use to me, young one.
我兄弟击八军，护黎叔，把我山河取那卢寇。责责命来！
Ends of the earth, inches apart. Ah, you're the first person to talk to me in 3 days. Here, you can have this. What do you think? For 3 days I called out to passersby, but you were the only one to stop. This item belongs to you. By the way, I have another item that's even more extraordinary. However, it's... Oh, why so stingy? I've been starving for 3 days waiting for fate to bring you to me. Now all I ask for is a little mundane trifle.
Wait, you're actually going... You wouldn't be one of those Well of Heaven saints.
Well of heaven.
Oh, you're not. Well, the way you throw money around, you might as well be. Take this copy of Wulin Journal. It is fated to be yours.
What do you mean, faded? I paid good money for this.
Ah, good fortune is hard to buy, even with piles of gold. Why fret over, kind wanderer? Please do one last favor. When you leave, drive away that black bear too. In the future, if you meet others of my order, say, ends of the earth, inches apart, and they'll give you maps of the world.
The bear seems to know martial arts. Let me learn from it. Ruby is still waiting for me. No Uncle Jiang has been... Gone for 3 years. Aunt Han still sets aside a jar of...
What foul banquet is this? That merchant said there be wine flowing freely. I thought he had something worthwhile to offer. Hell, what a waste! With this little wine and coin, this whole score's been a damn bust!
Don't rush, brother. I heard that woman running the first jar banquet has no children of her own, but took in some orphans she treasures dearly. But if we snatch him, we'll get both the coins and the wine.
Oh? You're craving a piece of me? The strangers in Shinra lately. More than all previous banquets combined. We should be careful.
Damn it! All this chasing for nothing? He didn't slip away, did he? Hey! Are you blind? Out of the way!
It's a public road. I'll walk where I please.
You!
Hey, let's not get sidetracked. Our apologies, Wanderer. We have an urgent matter to attend to. Please, forgive.
Now get out of my way!
You hold your head pretty high for a horse thief.
Little beast! You'll behave once I break your arm!
Leg still hurts.
I'll let you live a few more days. Let's go!
Yo! Cha! Cha! Yo! What are you all doing here? Oh, has anyone seen Ruby?
Sure did. She even entered you into a match. That traitor set up an arena, saying that the prize was some fancy treasures for swordsmen. Ruby paid right then and there to get you in. Now go, give it a try, and win her money back.
Young Master is the best! Dares to eat snakes, frogs, and tigers!
Young Master is the best! Dare to catch chicken, cats, and geese!
Not exactly.
Good folk, gather round old Jean. A chance for riches is rolling in. As a gesture of goodwill, soon my treasures I will spill. The hero's arena is all set. True heroes only pass this step. Don't waver and don't hesitate, or else you'll find yourself too late. With the challenges halfway done, the grand prize now is almost won. Feeling tempted? Is it true? Then step up and face Fang Shu. Fang Shu of Well of Heaven, known as the Divine Might Legend. Fierce of heart, strong as an ox, easily splits steel and rocks. Come one, come all to the post-match Uck, the hot, exclusive soapberry offer. Buy one gene, get half a gene free. Limited supply, get it while you can. Premium blood jade stones. Blowout sale will begin in 1 hour. Genuine fur coats. Proudly crafted by the 8th of the 8 talents of Hudon. Salamander.
You there. Think you could walk past me without a word?
My apologies for disturbing you. May I ask...
Too late for apology. Time to fight! I, Divine Might Fang Shu, Well of Heaven, never strike the unprepared. You there. Ready your weapon and prepare for a beating. When I first joined Well of Heaven, your junior brother dicks. Within a few years, I made it a drop. You call me? Line around! Jeez, what's happening? You're still fighting? Will you stop?
so hot-headed. That shouldn't have happened.
Get moving! I'm already with that merchant.
Quite the crowd at the arena, Mrs. Feng. A few new faces in the mix, too.
Must be Madame Han's fine wine bringing so many people to Qinghe.
My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? My sushi ball fell down there! What do I do? Like usual,